Hello guys, welcome to Chess TV 25. So today I'll be making a smoky Nigerian jollof rice. So I've already grilled the pepper, tomatoes. So I'm going to put it in my blender and blend it. Please, beautiful people, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please, you can also make your comment. Thank you. I have to leave it until it's a little bit brown before I pour the pepper in the pot. I'm going to pour the pepper mix. I'll let it fry. So these are my seasoning. This is Maggi. I'm going to put bay leaf. So I'm going to put up the other spice. Other spices. Sorry. That. My meat stock. Yeah. Nice. So I'm boiling my boiled water. When you put boiled water, the rice doesn't soak. So I'm going to cover it back. Ready? So now I'm going to pour the rice. Mix it. So I'm using Basmati rice. Cover and let it stay. So anyway, I'm also making turkey and goat meat sauce to go with the jollof rice. And I'm looking for food taster. So if you want to be a food taster, please let me know. Okay? There's love in sharing. So please be a subscriber. Then you can be a food taster. Wow, the meat is grilled, ready to go into the sauce. So now we're going to make the meat sauce. Okay, beautiful people, jollof rice is ready. Like I said earlier, we are looking for food tasters. Please message me. See? It's ready. They're both ready. So let's stitch. Ready. Thank you for watching. Please try and subscribe. You can make your comment, and like I said earlier, if you want to be a food tester, contact me. Okay.